Hi and welcome everyone. You've probably seen some of Pika Art's creative effects like Explode It or Inflate It. They're perfect for adding a fun twist to videos. But today I'm excited to show you the latest update, version 1.5, which includes 4 brand new Pikaffects that really take things to the next level. Pika Art 1.5 is all about expanding your creative toolbox. Along with familiar effects, they've introduced some amazing new Pikaffects like Tada It, Deflate It, Crumble It, and Dissolve It. These effects bring even more versatility and creativity to your projects. Tada. This effect works like magic. It makes animals or objects disappear in a visually stunning way, as if they vanished into thin air. It's perfect for creating magical sequences or quick disappearances, adding a bit of wonder to your videos. Want to reverse the inflated effect? Deflate It makes objects shrink or collapse, like letting the air out of a balloon. It's a subtle but impactful way to add visual interest to your scenes. Crumble It. Now this is one of my favorites. Crumble It breaks objects down into pieces, almost like they're made of sand or stone and falling apart. The detail and realism here are fantastic. It's perfect for dramatic effects or creative transitions. Dissolve It. This effect allows objects to fade away, creating a smooth, disappearing effect. It's versatile and works great for transitions or creating a magical vibe in your scenes. Tips for maximizing the update. Here's how to use these new effects effectively. Combine Crumble It with Dissolve It for a powerful scene where objects break apart and then vanish into thin air. Use Deflate It for humorous sequences, like deflating a character after an action to add a fun twist. For dramatic reveals, start with Dissolve It and then follow up with Tada It for an impressive transformation. Personal review and recommendations. Crumble It is definitely my top pick from this update. The effect is so realistic and versatile that you can use it in almost any context, whether you want to create epic destruction scenes or subtle transitions. If you're into detailed animations and realistic effects, Pika Art 1.5's new features are a must-try. Check out Pika Art 1.5 and explore these new effects for yourself. Let me know which one you're excited to use in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI video tips and tricks.